In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert WebP image to JPG format. So before starting, first you need to make sure you have downloaded this Chrome extension. I will put a link to my previous video where I have guided how to install this extension. Just check out the previous video. Once the extension is installed on your Chrome browser, just open any image that you want to download in JPG. Just right click on the image, then you will get an option called save image as JPG. But before that, you need to do some settings in extension. Just click on it. Here you will see convert to. Make sure if you are converting to PNG, it's in PNG format. If you are converting in JPG, it's JPG format, or any other format. If you are converting, that format should be selected here. So for this task, I am selecting JPG format. Once it is done, just refresh the, then save as JPG. It's download as JPG format. Okay, let me again go to here, then select it as PNG, then let me refresh this one, then save image as PNG. You can see it saved as PNG. So this is how we will convert any image to PNG or JPG directly through Chrome without any additional website or software. Thank you.